Let's start with this. Looking soft and expensive is not about wearing designer every day. It's not about being overly glamorous. It's not about perfection. And it's definitely not about trying too hard. Soft and expensive is a feeling. It's when your presence feels calm. Your appearance feels intentional. Your energy feels composed. And the reason some women naturally look this way every single day is not because they wake up flawless. It's because they follow quiet systems. So let's break down how to look soft and expensive every day without overcomplicating your life. The first shift is skin that looks calm, not covered. Soft beauty starts with skin that reflects light naturally, not heavy foundation, not thick powder, not extreme contour. If your skin looks inflamed, dry, or irritated, the softness disappears instantly. You need hydration more than coverage. Layer your skincare properly. Gentle cleanser, hydrating serum, moisturizer, sunscreen. At night, focus on repair. Even if you wear makeup, keep it breathable. Light foundation or tinted moisturizer. Cream blush placed slightly higher on the cheeks for lift. Soft highlight on high points. Defined but natural brows. Softness comes from light and balance, not heaviness. The second shift is controlled grooming. Soft and expensive does not mean chaotic. Hair should look intentional even if it's simple. A sleek bun, soft curls, clean braids, a polished blowout. It doesn't have to be dramatic. It has to look maintained. Brows should be brushed and shaped. Nails should be clean and neat. Lips should never be dry. Details create refinement. When your grooming is consistent, your appearance always feels elevated, even in basic clothes. The third shift is posture and movement. Soft does not mean weak. Expensive does not mean stiff. You want fluid control. Stand upright but relaxed. Shoulders down, not tense. Neck elongated. Walk without rushing. Your movements should look unbothered. When you fidget constantly or move frantically, it disrupts the illusion of ease. Soft and expensive energy moves like it has nowhere urgent to be. That calm pacing changes how people perceive you. The fourth shift is neutral wardrobe dominance. You don't need a closet full of statement pieces. You need cohesion. Soft beige, cream, chocolate brown, black, dusty rose, muted sage. Neutral tones automatically look more refined because they're not fighting for attention. Fit matters more than brand. Clothes that frame your shape without squeezing or drowning you look custom, even if they're affordable. Iron your outfits. Maintain your shoes. Keep your accessories minimal and structured. A simple gold necklace. Small hoops. A clean bag. Restraint reads expensive. The fifth shift is scent and freshness. Soft and expensive is multisensory. Your hygiene should be impeccable. Body exfoliation weekly. Moisturizing daily. Light oil for sheen. Choose a fragrance that feels aligned, warm, clean, slightly musky, or subtly floral. Apply lightly. When someone has to lean in to notice your scent, it feels luxurious. Overpowering fragrance feels loud. Soft fragrance feels curated. The sixth shift is emotional composure. You cannot look soft and expensive if you are constantly reactive. Rolling your eyes loudly. Arguing publicly. Oversharing personal drama. Composure is what separates polished from chaotic. Pause before responding. Speak slower. Let silence exist. When you regulate your emotions, your face relaxes. Your expression softens. Peace is part of your appearance. The seventh shift is daily maintenance over occasional effort. Soft and expensive women do not wait for events to upgrade themselves. They maintain daily. Skincare daily, a grooming weekly, wardrobe care consistently, posture always. It's not about having on days and off days. It's about building habits so your baseline is elevated. The eighth shift is self-perception. If you constantly criticize yourself internally, that insecurity leaks into your body language. You might shrink, avoid eye contact, overcompensate. Soft and expensive starts with believing you deserve to feel polished. Not arrogant, not entitled, just self-assured. Walk into rooms assuming you belong. The ninth shift is slowing down your energy. Most people are overstimulated, always scrolling, always reacting, always rushing. When you slow down your speech and movements slightly, you stand out immediately. Slowness communicates control, and control reads as high status. The 10th and final shift is protecting your peace privately. The most expensive-looking women are not constantly consumed by chaos behind the scenes. They curate their environments. They protect their sleep. They limit negativity. You cannot look soft if your life is internally loud. You cannot look expensive if your habits are messy. Looking soft and expensive every day is not about dramatic transformation.